I would like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 9 for grade 2 mathematics. We are learning about long division, guys, dividing by a single digit without regrouping. Okay, so let's take one of the example. How to do it, guys? I'm giving you one example here. 48 divided by 2. Okay. After revising one or two questions, we will go to the book and we will complete the book questions which is on page number 70 related to it, and then we will practice these questions in the notebook. Okay, so 48 divided by 2, guys. 48 divided by 2. So how you will divide 48 by 2, guys? So I told you that there are certain steps you have to follow to complete that division. Okay, what are the steps, guys? The steps are very simple, that you have to divide one digit at a time. Okay, one by one you have to divide the digits. So 48 you have to divide by 2. 48 you have to divide by 2. So 2 is outside, 48 is inside. First you will start dividing 4 by 2. How you will divide 4 by 2? You will check the table of 2, that 2 multiplied by what will give you 4. Okay, so first thing what you need to do is to divide 4 by 2. To divide 4 by 2. To divide 4 by 2, you will check the table of 2, that how many times of 2 is 4. So 2 multiplied by 1, 2, and 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. That's why 4 divided by 2 is 2. So here you will write 2 in the answer. That 4 divided by 2 is 2. The next step, guys, is to multiply the divisor with your answer. To multiply the divisor with your answer, 2 2s are 4, and write 4 exactly below to the number which you are dividing. You are dividing 4, so just write below 4 after multiplication. So 2 to 4. Then take the difference. Then take out the difference. That is there any difference? Is there any remainder? If no, then you will write 0, like 4 minus 4, 0. After that, you finished division with 4. Now put 8 down. Put 8 down. Now it's time to divide 8 by 2. You have divided to 4 by 2. Now you will divide 8 by 2. So 8 divided by 2. How you will divide 8 by 2, guys? Again, you will check the table of 2, that 2 multiplied by what will give you 8, or how many times of 2 is equals to 8. So you will check table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, that's why 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. So you will write here 4, that 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, after that, you will multiply this 2 by 4, and whatever the answer is, you will just write below to the number which you are dividing. So you are dividing 8. So 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8. So you will write 8 below this 8. And what is the difference you will find here? 8 minus 8, 0. So this 0 will be your remainder. This 0 will be your remainder. If I ask you what is dividend here in this division sentence, in this long division, so you will say, sir, dividend is 48, because you are dividing 48. You are dividing 48 by 2, so divisor is 2. When you divide 48 by 2, you get the answer 24. So the answer is your quotient. So quotient is 24. And after dividing, there is no remainder, no number is left, 0 is there. So remainder is 0. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. I repeat for you. What are the steps you need to follow to complete the long division? This is, you have to remember, guys, and this is something very, very important. You have to practice, you have to keep practicing for the steps so that you can have a good command on the division, because this is very important and it will help you in grade 3, in grade 4, in grade 5, in all grades. It will help you if you have good command on division. Okay, so first thing that you have to divide all digits one by one, whether they are 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, don't worry at all. One by one you will go. So you will divide 4 by 2. When you divide 4 by 2, so 2 2s are 4, that's why you write 2 up. The next thing is to write answers up. 2 2s are 4, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, so write 2. Then multiply this 2 with the divisor with the answer 2 to 4 and write exactly below to the number which you are dividing. 4. Then take the difference, subtract it, 4 minus 4 0. Once you finish 4, then do this for 8 also. Write 8, divide 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. Multiply 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is 8. Take out the difference of 8 and 8. 8 minus 8 0. So remainder is 0. Division is finished and you got the answer, which is 24. So up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now we are going to do one more question for practice. Not, you don't need to write it now. I'm going to explain one more question. Let's suppose if I say you have to divide 369 by 3. If I ask you divide 369 by 3, so what will be your answer? So because you want to divide 369, so 369 will be inside. Amjad, 369 will be inside and 3 will be outside. Now, the second thing, you need to divide one digit by one digit. Okay, you need to divide one by one. You need to divide one by one. First, you will divide 3 by 3, then you will divide 6 by 3, and then you will divide 9 by 3. So start dividing 3 by 3 first. 3 by 3. 3 by 3. So this is 3 by 3. So 3 multiplied by what will give you 3? This is very easy. 3 multiplied by 1 will give you 3. 3 multiplied by 1 will give you 3. 3 1s are 3. So 3 by 3, 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. So you will write here 1. Now you will multiply this 3 by 1. 3 1s are 3. So you will write 3 down below to 3. When you take out the difference 3 and 3, you get answer 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Now write 6. Put 6 down and start dividing 6 by 3. So 6 by 3, check the table of 3. That 3 how many times will give you 6, or 3 multiplied by what will give you 6. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 2. So after 1 you will write here 2 and multiply this 3 by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 and take out the difference and that will be 0. Now you have to divide this 9. So you will write here 9. Put this 9 down. Now divide 9 by 3. 9 by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 Multiply by what will give you 9? 3 multiply by 3 will give you 9. 3 multiply by 3 will give you 9. So 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. That's why you will write here 3. That 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. Now multiply 3 by 3. That will give you 9. And 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. So your division is solved. Remainder is 0 and answer is 123. So I can say 369 by 3 is equals to 123. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. No, 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 no,
Yes,
no,
sir.
no.
That's very good. So I have explained it to you. Now come to the page number. Come to the page number 70. Page number 70. Page number 70. On page number 70, there is a question. Fill in the boxes. A is 80 divided by 4. A is 80 divided by 4. So you have to divide 80 by 4. I am solving here, guys, on the board, but you have to write the answers here in the boxes. These boxes are for you to fill. Okay, so I will teach you here, then you will fill the boxes. This is 4 by 80. So divide 80 by 4. Now guys, again, you have to divide 8 first, then you have to divide 0. So tell me 8 divided by 4 equals to what?
2.
Yes,
2.
very good.
2. 2.
Exactly, 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. 8 divided by 4 means 4 multiplied by what will give you 8? So that is 2. Multiply 4 and 2, 8 minus 4 2s are 8, then subtract 8 minus 8, 0. Now, you have to divide this 0. Remember guys, you have to divide this 0. This is not finished. Division is not finished yet. This 0 is your reminder, but this 0 you have to divide. Whatever the number here is, you have to divide. So this 0 you have to divide now. So now you have to divide 0 by 4. You have to divide 0 by 4. I show you here. You have to divide 0 by 4. So 0 by 4 means 4 multiplied by what number will give you 0? 4 multiplied by what number will give you 0? Yes guys, can you tell me? 4 multiplied by what number will give you 0?
4 multiply 0.
4 multiply
0.
Yes, 4 multiplied by
1.
very good. 4 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. You know guys that any number you multiply by 0 is 0. Any number you multiply by 0 is 0. And 0 divided by any number is 0. Any number, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, 2 multiplied by 0, 3 multiplied by 0. Any number you multiply, 5, 6, 10, 15, 20, 100, 1000, 10,000, multiply by 0, the answer will be 0. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. That's why 0 divided by 4 is 0. So 0 divided by 4 is 0, and 4 zeros are 0, and 0 minus 0, 0. So the answer is 20. 80 divided by 4 is equals to 20. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So right here, 4 2s are 8, then 8 minus 8, 0, this 0 down, 4 zeros are 0 and 0 minus 0, 0. Now come to the second question, guys. Second question is divide 482 by 4. Divide 482 by 4. 482 by 4. by 4. So here you will write 482 and you are dividing it by 2. Okay. So again, guys, the method is same. The steps are same which you have to follow. First, you have to divide 4 by 2. Then you have to divide 8 by 2. And then in the end, you have to divide 2 by 2. One by one, you have to divide. So tell me, guys, 4 divided by 2 is equals to? I am asking 4 divided by 2 is equals to?
8.
No.
2.
2.
2. 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. How? I'll show you. To divide any number, look, this is 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 means you will check the table of 2, that 2 how many times will give you 4. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. That's why 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So you will write here 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now the next step is to multiply this 2 by this 2 and write the number write the number below to the number which you are dividing. 4 and then subtract 4 minus 4, 0. So this is how you divide 4 and you finish division with 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Now you have to divide this 8. This 8 will be down now. 8. Again, now you have to divide 8 by 2. Now you have to divide 8 by 2. So tell me, guys, 8 divided by 2 is equals to what? 8 divided by 2 is equals to what?
4.
Very good.
4.
Very good. 4. Because 2 multiplied by 4 will give you 8. 2 4s are 8. That's why 8 divided by 2 is 4. So you will write the next number here, 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now multiply this 2 with 4. 2 4s are 8. And take a difference, 8 minus 8, 0. Now you have to divide this 2. So now you have to divide 2 by 2. So guys, 2 divided by 2 is equals to? I am asking 2 divided by 2 is equals to?
1.
1. Very good. Because 2 ones are 2. That's why you will write here 1. 2 ones are 2. Then you will 2 divided by 2, 1. Multiply 2 ones are 2 and find the difference. So there is no digit left to divide. All digits you have divided. So the answer is 241. This is your answer. And here you can write like this. 2 2s are 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Now take out your notebooks. We will start working. We will do some division questions in the notebook. Take out your notebooks and start working. Take out your notebooks and start working. Division. On the top of the page, write the heading division. Then question number 1, division heading, today's date, 15 September 2021. Today is Wednesday. Okay. Question number 1, solve the following division. Solve the following division. And start dividing 48 by 2 first. The solution is written in front of you guys. 48 divided by 2. This is 48 divided by 2. How you will solve 48 divided by 2, guys? 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Now put 8 down. 8 divided by 2, 4. 2 4s are 8. And 8 minus 8, 0. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Complete it in your notebook, guys. Question number 1A. Solve the following division. 48 divided by 2 is equals to 24. Then the next question is 96 divided by 3. 96 divided by 3. This is the next question. 96 divided by 3. Ninety-six divided by 3. So for that, guys, what you will do? Write 96 inside. And 3 outside. Divide 9 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. And 3 3s are 9. So 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. Now multiply this 3 with this 3. 3 3s are 9. Write below to 9 and subtract with 9. It is 0. Now divide this 6. 6 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Write 6. Multiply 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 0 and the answer is 32. So 96 divided by 3 is equals to 32. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, 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 sir.
Very good. Complete it in your notebook. 96 divided by 3. Complete it in your notebook. Ninety-six divided by 3 is equals to 32. The next question is 84 divided by 4. 84 divided by 4. (84) divided by 4. This is the next question. Guys, did you complete A and B in your notebook?
Yes, yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, then come to the C. Start completing C. C is 84 divided by 4. I'm going down. 84 divided by 4. 84 divided by 4. How you will do 84 divided by 4, guys? This is 84. And you have to divide by 4. You have to divide 84 by 4. Check out the table of 4, that 4 multiplied by what will give you 8. 4 multiplied by what will give you 8. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. Why 2? Because 4 twos are 8. You can check the table of 4. 4, how many times will give you 8? 4, 1 times is 4, 4, 2 times is 8. That's why 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now multiply with this 4 with this 2. 4 twos are 8. Right below 8 and subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. You finished division with 8. Now you have to divide with 4. With 4. So write 4 down. 4 divided by 4 is equals to what? 4 divided by 4 is equals to what? Yes, guys, can you tell me? 4 divided by 4 is equals to what? 4 divided by 4 equals to what?
1.
Very good, very good. So you will write here 1. Multiply this 4 with 1. 4 ones are 4. Subtract 4 with 4 and 4 minus 4, 0. So the answer is 21. The answer is 21. 84 divided by 4 is 21. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now we will come to D. D is 846 divided by 2. 846 divided by 2. (846) divided by 2. What happened? Just wait, guys. Okay. Can you see the screen, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is 963 divided by 3. So 963 divided by 3 is this. You write here 9, 6, 3 inside and divide by 3. So first you will divide 9 by 3, then 6 by 3, and then 3 by 3. Because there are 3 digits, you will divide 1 by 1. So 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. Then multiply this 3 with 3. 3 3s are 9. Subtract 9 minus 9, 0. Put this 6 down. 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2, because 3 2s are 6. 3 1 3 and 3 2 6. Multiply this 3 by 2. This will give you 6. Then subtract 6 minus 6, 0. Then drop this 3 down and divide this 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 is 1. 3 by 3 is 1. Multiply 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So the answer is 321. 321. So you will write here 321. This is the last question, guys. Is it clear to all of you guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Any problem in the long division question?
No, sir. I am.
No, sir. No, sir.
Very good. Guys, you have to solve these questions in your home again. Okay. Take a rough book or a rough page. Only write the question. Try to solve the long division by yourself and check your answers with the answers in the notebook. And check whether you are solving correctly or not, whether your answers are same or no. Okay. And if you struggle anywhere, if you stuck anywhere, if you have any doubt, so ask me in the next class. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. Very good.
Yes.
Very
No,
good.
no. Yes, sir.
I'm repeating, guys, what you have to do. You have to write these questions in a rough page. Only write questions. Try to solve it by yourself with long division method. In that way, you will practice also, and you will check whether you can do it alone or no. Or I recommend you not to take help from your parents. Once you solve it, then you can show to your parents, and then you can ask to your parents. Otherwise, don't need to ask it. Try to solve it by yourself. If you stuck anywhere, then you can ask your parents, and you can even ask me in tomorrow's class that, sir, this is I have this problem, so I will repeat for you again. All right, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. So complete this, guys. A, B, C, D, and E. The steps are very, very, very simple. Any number you are dividing, write inside the division sign. Any number by which you are dividing, write outside. If they are 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, no matter. The steps you have to follow are same. First thing, you need to divide 1 by 1. You need to divide 1 by 1. Okay. So take one digit, divide by divisor. Like here I take 9, divide by 3. So the answer is 3, so write that answer. The second step, multiply the divisor with your answer. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So write your answer exactly the number, the below the number which you are dividing. You are dividing 9 here. That's why you write 9 after multiplying. You got 9, so you write 9 below to 9. Then take out the differences. So 9 minus 9 is 0. You are done with 9 now. So go for same you will do for the second digit and same you will do for the third digit. The second digit is 6. Divide 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. Now multiply 3 by 2, 6, writes below 6, subtract. Then the last digit is 3. Come to 3, divide 3 by 3, 3 by 3, 1. Multiply 3 by 1, 3, write below 3, subtract, find right. Subtracted, remainder is 0 and answer is 321. So guys, you will practice in your home.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's very good. That's very good. So guys, this is going to the end of our class. We'll see you in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Thank you. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. See you in the next. Bye.